Hello and welcome to Keepsales. Now in this video series, we are looking at how to create your online store on Keepsales. Now specifically for this video, we will be looking at step number 9 in creating your online store, which is the terms and conditions page and information. Okay, so let's get to that. Okay, so we go to our main menu, we go to our online store, and then we click on our setup and settings. Okay, so we are taken to the online store management page. Okay, so this is where we create our online website. Yes, so we are on step 9. Okay, we have other videos that tackles all the other steps. Okay, so over here it says that if there are any terms and conditions regarding how customers buy from you, this section is a place to type it all out. Conditions such as return policies, shipping and delivering policies, refund policies, warranties, etc. Okay, so we have a sample we have a sample terms and conditions page, okay, which we have typed over here. All right, so once you type it out here, okay, in this space, you click to save changes and then you click on done. Okay, so once that is done, you can click to view. Okay, when you click to view online store, okay, you'll be able to see exactly what you've done. Okay, so we'll scroll down. Okay, our page is still loading. We'll scroll down to the sections. Okay, you see the terms and conditions over here. You click on the terms and conditions and then it brings you over, all right, to the terms and conditions area. Okay, so if they are very important, terms and conditions that you want your customers to be able to see, Keepsales makes it very easy for you to have that. Okay, so this is your amazing and very responsive and beautiful online store, okay, that Keepsales has for you. So I hope you enjoy this journey. I mean, you can go check out all the other videos, okay, on the various steps on how to create your online store, okay, and then you'll be able to successfully launch one for yourself. All right, so do have a wonderful time. I hope you enjoyed this video. There are more of these amazing videos available for you, so do well to check them all out. See you again in our subsequent videos. Have a wonderful time and bye bye.